Alright, so I put the gear in fourth, and as you can see, right, if I can zoom in here, right there is the rubber coupler. There's the pinch bolt, and that's the shift rod going into the transmission. So I've got to get that apart. With it in fourth, now it is out of the way of those lines right there, power steering lines. Let's see if we can get that out and get this thing off the car. Bolts are snapping like crazy on this. Don't break on me. Go over. Huh? Go over. No, it got parked for like 4 years by Mason Burrow Inlet. Oh. Salt air got to everything. It's trying to go. That's an ABS sensor, not emergency brake cable. So it won't come off with the knuckle. It runs up through the side, inside well, around, up through, and then in here. So I'm just gonna disconnect that, pull it all back through underneath there. That thing just has squeeze tabs right here, and this is the connector here, but we've got to get it out of this block right here. And this should separate. All the sheathing has gone off of it. All the rubber sheathing. Now I'll just feed it down. There we go. And I have a feeling I'm gonna have to put a wrench on that one too. I don't know if the trigger is gonna get it. It is spinning. fender. Let go of me. Need both of these clips. Keep those. Now let me lift up, crank up on the engine. Doesn't bother me any. You should have spelled this thing when I picked it up. Gas tank.
Oh God.
Almost like you're on gas tank. All right, now we got to get that stay removed. So I'm going to unbolt it from the bottom instead of unbolting it from the fender, which is right there. Let's see if I can fuck this thing up. Where's my ratchet? It's loose now. Let's see, 16. Where's my ratchet? I spend more time looking for stuff than I do working. That goes, let's see, that goes in the subframe, that goes with the stay. I believe there were two more holding it. Or did I get them all? Two up here. Yep. That actually has nuts on the back of it. Okay. Let's see what size those are. Let me get my zip ties and hang that up. Ow! You would have to move, wouldn't you? They're so freaking rusted.
Nope. 2 hours later.
Well, I fought with it, 2 bolts for about an hour to get the half of the subframe, the hinge, drop. It is now free to move down. I got 2 of the trans bolts out and broke 1 bolt for the ball joint mount. those were so seized. Luckily I got 2 off, but I'll probably replace those anyway. A lot of this hardware is gonna have to be replaced. It's just too rusty. I got that one out, and I got the one on the other side out. Now I've got to come back. It's raining. Now it's gonna rain for the weekend, so I'm done this week. Got one there and one on the other side I got to get to with, unfortunately, a ratchet wrench, because you can't get a socket ratchet in there. I can't anyway. I'll see if I can find a, I believe those are 16 millimeter to fit in there, or 18. I don't remember now. But I'm beat. We got a few extra parts in the back here. That's going to get tossed out and get a new air filter. Hopefully next time I can finish up the fuel pump here. I've got the wiring for it, but I don't have time today. I gotta go. So maybe next weekend, maybe. Fender liners and the aquarium covers in the trunk right now. So still got a ways to go.